All right, let's get this out of the way. If you like the contents of this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like the content on this channel and you're not subscribed yet, how about subscribing? Hi there, it's Hélène with another video. This time it is empties for the month of December. I'm a little late in getting this up. I understand that, but I will make it quick. I want to identify that there are a number of samples that I went through this month. 3 eye creams, a serum, a cream packet, framboos, a mask, another eye cream packet. Apparently I had 4 of those, Lancôme, a night peel, and then a curly hair product from Sexy Hair. I used a sample of the fresh lip mask and a couple of the tubes of the hairdresser's invisible oil. What's it called? That fresh one is called Sugar Rosé Tinted Lip Treatment. Pardon me, that's the proper name. And a couple of different samples because of the focus on Lancôme. I had a Génifique Yeux, so it's an eye cream, and also an Énergie de Vie, which lasted me a surprisingly long amount of time. So I just cut those samples so I can get to everything inside. If you've seen me before talking about empties, you've seen that before as well. And I'm just a few uses left in this one that I have depotted, which is the No More Baggage, but the very, very big bulk of it was finished up in December. I also used up, if you saw my focus on liquid makeup removers, I finished up the Life Triple Impact Makeup Remover Cleanse, Soothe, Beautify from Dior. Crappy product, by the way, in my opinion. My favorite cleanser, this is the Gel Total Purifying and Cleanse Gel Cleanser from Sephora. It is the green tea option. Another larger sample from Lancôme. This is the Advanced Génifique Youth Activating Concentrate. This lasted me a whole month. You don't need very much when it comes to serums, and this was 8 ml. Lasted me a month. Just like the Drunk Elephant products last month, they were all 8 ml and they lasted me 40 days. So it's amazing how long 8 ml can last when it comes to serums. Speaking of serums, there's also a Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair that I finished again this month. This is a staple for me big time when I'm not using another retinol product. This is the one that I used. I have gone through at least a half a dozen of these. I'm losing count. It's 29 ml and I love it. It's very inexpensive. I usually manage to get it half price off at at Shoppers, and I love this product. It does great things for my skin. Another product that I've managed to finish was a whipped argan oil from Josie, I'm guessing it's Marin, and this one was in vanilla apricot. And I will show you that I just wiped it clean. There's nothing left. And I have a couple more of these and I'm looking forward to using them. And just a heads up that my Battle of the Body Butters, I think that was Battle of the Brands number 2 or number 1. Anyway, I'll link the intro to it. It's coming up, and this was one of the products that I tested. I tested over 9 body butter type products and will tell you the best of the best and the worst of the worst in the whole bunch. I think I'm down to 1 product. Woohoo! All right, so the last product I finished up, and you'll see I scrape everything available. I finished up the Burt's Bees Cucumber Mint, and that was a joy to use up. I got it in a kit, a girls box kit. I'll link the video to that right there. It gave me a chance to try a bunch of products for $13. I think the box was $45 value, and virtually everything in that box was worthwhile. So if you want to see my review of that, it's worth checking out, I think. All in all, I won't count the little sample packets. All in all, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 substantial products that I finished this month, and I'm very happy. And I will also be publishing from the larger most meaningful empties. I will also be doing a 2018 Empties in review, so watch out for that video. I haven't filmed it yet, but I have all of the stuff ready to go, and I think that that might be interesting. And I'll do a little bit of a, here are the big things that I used, and then really give you a bit of a review on those products and why they are loves or why I was happy to have them in the dustbin. Thank you for your time today. I appreciate it very much, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. But for now, take care.